Hey guys, this is Michaela with Nail Supply Inc. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my rubber base with the IBD Rubber Base Gel. I first go in with a 240 file and get the desired shape that I want. And then I go in with a buffer and get all that excess shine off of the nail plate. Now that my nails are all prepped and ready, I am going in with the IBD Rubber Gel in shade Truffle. First, I do a very thin coat of the IBD Rubber Base Gel and make sure to get it sidewall to sidewall and then cure for 60 seconds. Then I go in with a thicker layer or a bead and drag that all the way down to the free edge. After curing that layer for 60 seconds, I go in with one more thin layer to get the color that I want. After doing the first hand, I can see that the color is very opaque. This is very easy to work with, and this is a thinner than a builder gel consistency. For the second hand, I'm going to do the exact same steps as I did with the first hand. Thin layer, thicker layer, and then thin layer on top. Now that both hands are done, I can see that this self level is very nice. It's easier to do it finger by finger, and these are very sturdy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!